Up in the sky, so high, so blue, our Father watches me and you. Hallowed be thy name, so true. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as in heaven, Son. Give us this day our daily bread, and light our way where angels tread. Forgive our wrongs, we all make some. Teach us to love, not to succumb. Lead us away from where shadows drum. For thine is the kingdom, the power, the glory, forever and ever. It's love's greatest story, a tale